Saksham and I don't know.
Shinano Kinshi
For the great work they've done with the Smart Cane and the FlexStock Vachak. I'm not going to go into the merits of the Smart Cane because you've seen the video and Mr. Gupta has just spoken about the FlexStock. But I think the interesting thing is that it's making the world a smaller place, or maybe it's making the world that much larger for everyone involved. I think that's the one thing that that was one of the first things that I felt at Xavier's. There was place for everyone here. You could be from any walk of life, you could be anyone, and there was place for you to learn and grow and blossom. I developed wings here at Xavier's, and I think that's what XRCVC has been doing and will continue to do in the years to come. All the very best to Sam and the XRCVC, and to all of you who are going to benefit from these devices. मैं थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी में भी कहना चाहूँगी, मुझे पता है कि कुछ हिंदी बोलने वाले लोग भी हैं यहाँ और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि इतने सालों बाद मुझे ज़ेवियर्स आने का मौका मिला एक इतने खास प्रोग्राम के लिए जहाँ ये असिस्टेड डिवाइसेस फ्लेक्सटॉक वाचक और स्मार्ट केन लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं। फ्लेक्सटॉक वाचक के द्वारा आप टेक्स्ट हिंदी में भी पढ़ पाएंगे और ऑडियो बुक्स तो सारे लैंग्वेजेस में अवेलेबल हैं। और स्मार्ट केन से भी इसकी खासियत मुझे यही लगी कि काफ़ी बार मैंने भी देखा है कि जो केन्स यूज़ करते हैं लोग उसके द्वारा सिर्फ ग्राउंड लेवल की जो चीज़ें हैं उनसे बचते हैं, जो घुटनों के ऊपर की चीज़ें हैं उनसे नहीं बच पाते। पर स्मार्ट केन के द्वारा अब आप सेफ रहेंगे और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि मुझे ही लॉन्च करने के लिए बुलाया गया है। इसके लिए मैं प्रोफेसर सैम, फादर फ्रेजर और सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
Miss Vidya Balan's speech, I've got 3 words to say. Entertain. Oh, sorry. It was sweet, sweet, and
very sweet.
Now we'll be starting with the distribution.
अब उस ऐतिहासिक मोमेंट की ओर हम बढ़ रहे हैं जहाँ पर पहली बार हमारे ये बच्चे रिसीव करेंगे स्मार्ट केन और वाचक।
Requesting Mr. Mahadev Ramchandra to kindly come. Volunteers kindly assist Mr. Mahadev Ramchandra. There we have our first recipient, Mr. Mahadev Ramchandra.
Recipients आप जहाँ भी हो बैठे रहो।
Mahadev, it will be followed by Mr. Vitthal Tanaji. Mr. Mahadev will be followed by Mr. Vitthal Tanaji. Mr. Vitthal will be followed by Mr. Suraj Bharat. Mr. Suraj Bharat. After Suraj, we would have Miss Saili Vinayak, followed by Miss Shilpa Shashikant. After Shilpa, we have Mr. Rupesh Moolchand. After Rupesh, we have Mr. Abhay Dinkar. Followed by Miss Prajakta Ravindra. It would be great if you could have a bigger round of applause for our recipients. Thank you so much. Ms. Prajakta, followed by Mr. Sachin Ramchandra. Mr. Siddesh Ramchandra. Mr. Ramrao Chandrakant. Mr. Ramrao Chandrakant. Followed by Miss Mansi Sunil. Miss Mansi Sunil. Then Miss Chaya Sukhdev. Miss Chaya Sukhdev. Miss Savita Bhimrao. Now we have Mr. Akash Suresh. After Savita, we have Akash. Now we have Miss Aarti. Then we have Mr. Ganesh Palke. That was a Daisy player. After Manoj, we have Mr. Ravikant Deepak. If you haven't collected, we have Mr. Tushar. Requesting all the recipients.
Announcements है जो सब रेसिपिएंट्स आपका ट्रेनिंग कल होने वाला है विल्सन कॉलेज Xavier's and others will be coming here.
A huge round of applause for Mr. Deepak Kumar Jaiswal. Thank you.
During this event and spreading awareness about visually challenged and their assistive technologies. Thanking to Father Fraser, who has been always supportive in the all events of XRCVC. And also thanks to all my event more successful. Finally, I would like to thank XRCVC, which has been to visually challenged for their betterment and development.
बैठ जाइए, आपके वॉलंटियर्स आपको गाइड करेंगे आगे के एक्टिविटीज के बारे में. We have Mr. Kaustubh and Talha who will be leading us to national anthem. Requesting for silence. Thank you. For each and every one present here. Requesting the media people to kindly step back.